Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Motion Effects, and we're gonna backtest last week's winning trades. So let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see right here, this was Monday the 7th of October. We had a 1 to 3 risk to reward win on one day. So we're gonna break it down. We're gonna get into it. So as you guys can see, let me go on to zoom out a little bit. As you guys can see, price is in a downtrend. Price is heading to the downside. So we know we were looking for sells. So my trading strategy is breakouts, support and resistance breakouts. So on Monday, I'll be looking for an entry at 9:30 market open. So I came into the market at 9 o'clock, and as you guys can see, I found support. Price is creating support right here, and price is creating resistance. Now, before market open, price broke our resistance, but we didn't take that trade because we know price is in a downtrend, so we'll be looking for sells. So I knew that was a manipulation because price is also in a downtrend, and we're looking for sells. So we wait until 9:30 and we got a breakout of our support entry, put our stop above the recent high or the recent zone. And I targeted these 15-minute lows right here. And we cashed for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So the reason why I didn't fall for this little breakout to the resistance line is because overall, we go on the 5-minute time frame. We go on Monday. Price is in a heavy downtrend. So I know price is going to keep going in a downtrend. Price is respecting the trend line. Price is in a downtrend. Saw a breakout. I know price is going to reject and go to the downside. So as you guys can see right here, Tuesday, price did the same thing. But in this case, price broke above resistance and we entered on that resistance to the downside. Why? Because as you guys can see, I came into the market and price was respecting it, making support and resistance throughout this whole entire area. And then price broke to the upside, but I knew it was manipulation because price is in a downtrend. So every time price breaks above resistance, resistance becomes support. So I used this resistance as a support line. And I waited till 9:30 and price started dropping at 9:30. We waited for price to break out of that support and we entered and we put our stop above this high over here and we targeted these 1 hour zones right here. Same thing. We made a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. That's how easy it is, man. We just be patient and you enter at 9:30 a.m. That's all you gotta do. So we was patient and we knew that price is in a downtrend. So we waited for price to break back the support zone, to break the support zone. And we entered and we put our stop loss above this high. So that was a good trade right there. It's the same thing throughout the week. We go to Wednesday, it's the same thing. Wednesday was a bit of a smaller time, like a very small time frame trade, but we had a 1 to 4 risk to reward, so we made $400. We risked $100 and we made $400 that day, so it was a good trade. As you see, price did the same thing. Price is respecting support and resistance throughout this area, and price broke above before 9:30. But we knew price is in a downtrend, so we were looking for sells. Price broke above our resistance, but we didn't fall for it. We waited until 9:30. And as you guys can see, 9:30 hits, price breaks back below this support zone. We entered and we put our stop above this zone right here. I always put my stop above the recent zones because at 9:30 there's a lot of volume. So there's price never retraces and comes back. So I just put my stop above the recent zone and I just target the next zone. And as you guys can see, we targeted our original support zone and we made $400 in 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. It's that easy. We go to Thursday. I didn't take this trade on Thursday because it was a lot of volume and it was just too much for me. But we could have, but I didn't, and I kind of missed the trade setup to be honest. So I didn't take that trade, but on Friday we had a good trade. It's basically the same thing, but price was in an uptrend. I seen price shifting to an uptrend. So we zoom out, go on the 5 minute time frame, you go on Friday. How did I see price shift into an uptrend? So here, we go on the hourly time frame, right? And I seen this. This is what I saw. So price looks like it was in a downtrend, but price made a high, price made a low, price made another high, price made a lower low, and price made an equal high, and then a lower low. And then price made a higher high. As you can see, this high is higher than these highs. So price made a higher high and then a higher low. So once I seen that, I knew price was gonna keep going up. So I was looking for buys. So we go on the 1 minute time frame and we marked our support zone right here, marked our resistance. And as you guys can see, like always, price is creating resistance, support. Waited till 9:30, and then we got a breakout to the upside right here on this red candle. I put my stop above this recent zone right here. Let me mark this out real quick. Put my stop at that recent zone, and I targeted this 1 hour high over here. We had a 1 hour high right here. I just targeted that zone, and it was a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and we cast. So as you guys can see, throughout every day, it's literally the same thing. Like price is just making resistance, support, and at 9:30, we just wait for a breakout in the direction that the market is trending, and it's that easy, guys. And we cash every time. So if you guys want to learn this strategy, click the link in my bio, well, my description, and you guys can join my Discord for free. I trade live every morning on there for free, no cost, nothing, just for free. And you guys can follow me on Instagram at Motion Effects, follow me on TikTok, Motion Effects, and yeah, you guys can start trading and making money every day like me. So if you guys want to join, just click the link in the description below.